TOOR DAL RASAM. This rasam will be very tasty. To prepare this TOOR DAL rasam, we no need to have any rasam powder. It will be very nice dish for rice. To prepare this TOOR DAL rasam, we need half cup TOOR dal, little salt, turmeric, oil, ginger, chilies, green chilies, 2 lemons. In a vessel, take TOOR dal, wash them 2 times. Pour very hot water on TOOR dal. Add little turmeric. Add ginger. Add oil to this. Cover this vessel with a lid and rest it for a while. After 30 minutes, the dal will be like this, very nicely soaked in hot water. When we soak this dal in hot water, it gives very nice taste. To get good taste, we have to soak in hot water. Keep this dal in a pressure cooker and cover it with a lid. Cook it until 3 whistles. Please keep the flame in low. Now dal is ready to mash. Add half liter water to this. Add salt. Boil for few minutes. When rasam starts boiling, season it. Take a small kadai, add 2 spoons of oil, add red chilli, add green chilies, add uridwash, cumin, mustard, add curry leaves, add asafoetida, little turmeric. Fry all ingredients until they get golden brown color. Add lemon juice. Stop the stove. Add this to rasam. Now add coriander leaves to this rasam. Hot TOOR dal rasam is ready to serve.